The method of characteristic for a first order Cauchy linear PDE. A Cauchy linear PDE is of the form for first order a of x y u del u del x plus b of x y u del u del y is equal to c of x y u. This is an equation 1. And a given curve gamma in the xy plane which are given. Now we shall introduce a technique. This technique is called the method of characteristic. In this technique, we first convert the given PDE to a system of ODE with its initial data or initial initial data. Then we solve this system of ODE. Then we transfer the solution again. So if UX be the solution of the given PDE, let S be its graph. So S contains x, y and u of xy. Let n vector is del u del x del u del y minus 1 with the normal to the surface z is equal to e of xy. This is our surface. And let f vector is a of xyz, b of xyz, c of xyz be the coefficient of the function given in PDE 1. Now if uxy be the solution of the given PDE 1, then on the surface z is equal to uxy, we have f dot n vector, that is a xy u del u del x plus b xy u del u del y minus c of xy u is equal to 0. So what we get? F vector dot n vector is equal to 0. That is f is perpendicular to n. That is f is tangent to the graph z is equal to e of xy. So we take eta is equal n is equal to del u del x del u del y minus 1 with the direction ratio of the normal, and we got f vector dot n vector is equal to 0. So it implies that f vector lies in the tangent plane of the surface z is equal to e of xy, because the dot product is 0, and since n vector is normal, so n vector represent f vector is the tangent plane. So now we see a example how we convert a given PDE to system of ODE and how we get the solution. So there is example, find the solution of given equation x del u del x minus 2y del u del y is equal to u square, which satisfied u of xx is equal to x cube. That is, this is the initial data. Now the coefficient of del u del x, a, b, c. A is the coefficient of del u del x and b is the coefficient of del u del y, and c is the right hand side value. So a is x, b is minus 2y and c is u square. And the parametric form of this initial curve can be written as x is equal to a, y is equal to a, z is equal to a cube, where a is the parameter. So the characteristic ODE or of given equation 1, that is x del u del x minus 2y del u del y is equal to u square, can be written as del u del x is equal to x, del u del y is equal to del x is equal to x, del y del s is equal to minus 2y, and del s is equal to z square, which is equation number 3. And the initial condition can be written as x is equal to a, or that is x of 0 is equal to a, y of 0 is equal to a, z of 0 is equal to a cube. Now we solve this system of ODE which is given which we obtain in equation 3 using the initial condition which are prescribed in equation 4. So solving from first dx ds is equal to s, solving we get x of s is equal to a into e to the power x. Solving dy ds is equal to minus 2y, we get y of s is equal to a into e to the power minus 2s, and solving dz ds is equal to z square, we get zs is equal to a cube by 1 minus s into a cube. Now we shall eliminate a and s from this equation 5. So from first quantity we get x by a is equal to e to the power s, and from second we get y by a is equal to e to the power minus 2s, and simplifying we get y by a is equal to x by a whole to the power minus 2, that is a square by x square, and simplifying we get a is equal to x to the power 2 by 3 and y to the power 1 by 3. Now for s we get from x by a is equal to e to the power s. So putting the values of a we get x by y, putting the values and simplifying we get x by y to the power 1 by 3, and taking the logarithm we get s is equal to 1 by 3 log x by y. So hence we obtain the values of a and s. Now putting the values of a and s in the expression of zs, we choose z is equal to e of xy. So putting the values of z is equal to e of xy, and now putting the values of a and s in the expression of zs. So we get x square by y by 1 minus 1 by 3 log x by y into x square y, and simplifying we get u is equal to u of xy is equal to x square y by 1 minus 1 by 3 into x square y into log of xy, x by y, which is the required solution. So clearly what we see in this now, a partial differential equation was given with its initial condition. Now we convert this partial differential equation to system of ordinary differential equation with the initial condition, which are prescribed in 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4. Now solving those system of equation, we got x, y and z, values of x, y and z. Now eliminating a and s from xy, expression of x, y and z, we obtain values of a and s, and putting these values of a and s in the expression of z, we get u of xy is equal to x square by y 1 minus 3 x square y into log of x by y. This is our required solution. Thank you.